Hey there, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about an important topic, spotting the stocks that are robbing your wealth. When it comes to building wealth, most of us focus on accumulating more assets. But what if I told you that there's a silent killer that could be eroding your wealth without you even realizing it? It's not inflation, it's not market volatility, but something much more insidious: poor stock choices. The truth is, not all stocks are created equal, and some of them can be detrimental to your portfolio's growth. There are certain stocks that can be like a slow-moving poison to your wealth, quietly draining your resources without you even noticing. And the reason this happens is because most investors, including experienced ones, make some common mistakes. One of these mistakes is lack of diversification. When you put all your eggs in one basket, you're exposing yourself to unnecessary risk. Another mistake is failing to monitor performance regularly. You can't just set it and forget it, because the market is constantly changing. You might think you're making smart investment decisions, but the reality is, some of these stocks can be toxic to your portfolio. For instance, if you're holding onto a stock that's been underperforming for an extended period, it's like having a weight that's pulling down the entire portfolio. And that's not even counting the ones with hidden fees that are quietly eating away at your returns. Perhaps the most frustrating part of this whole situation is that it's often the stocks that are touted as stable or low risk that can end up being the biggest culprits. When you start to dig deeper, you'll realize that it's not just about the stocks themselves, but also the way they're structured. Some stocks come with exorbitant fees, high dividend yields that aren't sustainable, or even worse, hidden liabilities that can come back to haunt you. Did you know that there are certain stocks out there that are designed to make you lose money? It's true. These are called robber baron stocks, and they're often found in the energy sector. These companies have a history of making huge profits while leaving their investors in the dust. So, how can you spot these stocks? Well, they're usually characterized by high valuations, low earnings, and a history of poor performance. It's important to do your research and avoid investing in these types of stocks. Remember, knowledge is power. And understanding how to spot these robber baron stocks can help you make smarter investment decisions. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to follow and subscribe for more financial tips and insights. Until next time, stay wise and stay wealthy.